Okay, we're eliminating several wires here that we don't need. We do not need this red wire right here. It doesn't work anyway. I'm just going to disconnect the fuse out of it and get rid of that too. I don't think it even had the right fuse in it. It's supposed to have a 3 amp fuse, and I think this is like a 20 ACC. I don't know. Anyway, we don't need it. Uh, we've eliminated orange wires, yellow wires, red wires, wires and wires that we don't need. So I think we're ready to start putting the radio in it now. I think we'll try to see if we can't make that work. Okay, we got most of the wire stripped out of the dash now that we need to get out. We've got our radio now. This is a retro sound radio that I picked up off of the Jungle website. It's just got here. It took about 2 weeks to get, but it's supposed to be a direct fit for the dash. No cutting, no modifications at all. It's supposed to be just take the place of the regular radio. So let's get it put together and let's get started. This radio comes in several pieces. You've got the receiver box itself. Uh, and you've got some brackets to be able to adjust the length on the arms to fit the hole in the dash. And then there is a faceplate box that's actually has the faceplate in it and the knobs that go in the dash. Okay, there's the knobs that go in the dash. The mounting hardware for the knobs. And this appears to be the faceplate, which the faceplate actually has connections in the back. This has got to be mounted to the front of the radio and a wire connector installed. So let me get this thing put together and then I'll show you how we mount it. Okay, we got the basic package put together now. The faceplate's on, we got the knobs temporarily mounted that go through the dash. Let's get started wiring it. We'll get that done. Try to get this put in the next 30 to 40 minutes and see if we can get some sound going in the truck now that we can drive it. Okay, these are my new speaker wires. They're run to some temporary speakers I have in the side panel over there. At least I have something to check the system by. I've got to get the antenna over here. That's the one thing that I didn't. There's the antenna. No, that's the subwoofer on this radio. Okay, I see the antenna plug in the back of the radio. I'm hoping as old as this antenna is, it'll plug into the back of that, but we'll find out. Okay, there it is. We finally got the radio put in. Everything's working fine. We got speakers on both sides. Eventually I want to put some speakers under the seat, but for right now, we got a radio that works. We'll turn on the switch. Takes just a second for it to show up. So, there it comes right there. The Bluetooth is hooked up, so we got the audio. We're not hooked up to that right now. Turn it off. Anyway, we got a tag, we got tunes, we got a motor that runs. We can drive the truck. There's a few more things I've still got to do. I've got a leaking gas line under the truck that I've got to fix, but that's another day. So for right now, this is Russ, RDS. See you later.